1998, he wanted to talk about globalization. Sabi ko, you can talk until, you know, you get hoarse, and your voice goes out. Nobody understands globalization at the local level. Globalization. So, anong ginawa namin? Meron kaming small group, we had a small group of experts. Every Friday, we would meet in Makati. Meron kaming magsasalita among the experts. How do we simplify globalization so that it will be understood by the candidate? Okay? Sa likod namin, meron mga nag-notes. Pagdating na Sabado, yun ang sasabihin ni kandidato for president sa kanyang radio program. Naging presidente yung kandidato mo. Okay. It's a conscious effort to simplify concepts into words understandable at the local level. Yung kalaban niya, gusto din magsalita tungkol sa globalization. Oh, so nagsalita siya.